Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by protecting yourself and clearing the area. Once the tire is deflated and the core removed, apply penetrating oil to the damaged thread and let it soak for 5–10 minutes. While that soaks, mount the valve stem in a soft jaw vise or hold securely. You need stable control. Now use a small pick to remove any rubber fragments from the external thread so the extractor can seat. This prevents slippage and sets you up for a clean pull. You now seat the extractor into the remaining thread. Select the correct size and tap it gently so threads bite without collapsing the valve. Once seated, apply slow, steady torque. Don't jerk. If it resists, apply heat briefly to the valve area and reapply penetrating oil, then try again. This relaxes metal and releases corrosion. Keep pulling straight along the valve axis to avoid breaking the extractor. If the extractor starts to deform, stop and reassess to prevent making removal worse. You finish by cleaning the bore and chasing any remaining threads. If the stem is compromised, replace it. Once the broken piece is out, use a chase or reamer to smooth the seat, then install a new core and pressurize the tire to the recommended 35–40 psi to confirm sealing. If the extractor breaks inside, stop and remove fragments with a small drill or pick. Don't force, otherwise you risk pushing debris deeper. One key tip: if leaks persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.